Hello, guys. Welcome to another forward testing strategy on BTC Now, I've already pretty much went through my liquidity strategy in a daily time frame to the 15 minutes. So I'm going to show you guys that. So basically, with this candle here, you see that this candle closed bearish. So when we're talking about the rule of three, we're talking about accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. So what that means is that since this candle closed bearish, we're looking for manipulation on the bull side and then distribution on the bear side, okay? So now we go to the 4-hour, and I've marked up buy side and sell side liquidity here, okay? And then also drew up the most recent fair value gap, which is right here, okay? So then when we move over to the 15-minute, this is the most recent fair value gap here that we're going to look at. And we're looking to see if price is going to react to this area with the 3-bar pattern. And if it does, then that's when we'll get in. So we're looking for a liquidity sweep, followed by a fair value gap, and then fair value gap close, and then jump in for sell down to liquidity here or down to this low here. Or the price happens to invalidate this buy and jumps above, then we'll be looking for a buy that can go probably all the way up until maybe this next high here. So that's what we're looking for, waiting for. So I'm going to pause this recording until price start interacting with this point. It may take 30 to 45 minutes, but that's what we'll do. So stay tuned. The next thing we need to do is a set an alarm at this fair value gap here. Setting burn. So we'll put on pulsing up, and we happen once put on close. Say price action. They're going to create. So that's what we're going to work. That's what we're going to that's what we're going to wait for. So that we don't have to stare at the screen all day. Yeah, we'll take it from there. So I will be right back. Now, it's a possibility because price kind of tested this fair value gap already and went down to here. So price might just test up to this area and then go down unless price is ready to go bullish. But the only way we're going to know that is if price inverts this fair value gap and close the bar. And we'll see. It looks like price is in, looks like price interacted a little bit with this fair value gap. So now it pretty much pushed up here and like it's pushing down. So since we closed with strength here with the fair value gap, we give this a shot. We need to make some money off of this. Stop loss up to here. Keep it down in here. for all right, so when above is reporting, we'll see if next kind of close above and then if price go down a little bit. We'll take it from there. I'll be right back. So looks like we were getting into some profit a couple of minutes ago. So again, like I said, this was the most recent fair value gap here. It looks like price interacted with it and it pushed price all the way down in here. And it looks like price came back and tested close to that area. So it might be ready to go down further. But we'll see if we can just get some profit and bring real. And I'll just close the trade if I get about 200 or something. Yeah, so keep in mind it's after 8 o'clock. I think after 8 o'clock during the weekday, Bitcoin likes to drop. So yeah, we're pretty about a profit. So I might close it a little bit. We'll be here in a minute. Let's see here. And 170 for the affiliate. But that price is really dropping. So you want to go ahead and close it here. You see it. All right. So we made let's see, put it yeah, 455 here. See, we had $145 loss there. So we made $455. So he made the loss back. He made $311 on top of that. Okay, let me screenshot that. We'll be there now. Close this recording. I'll be right back. So I documented my results. As you can see, prices being on down. And so when we look here previously, remember, we said with this candle, when we're talking about accumulation, manipulation, distribution, we said that price with being manipulation on the bulls and then distribution on the bears. That's what we kind of see here. And so when we go all the way to the 15-minute time frame, that's what we see. We saw a pullback here, a manipulation, more manipulation here. And now it looks like we're starting distribution here because there's a greater fair value gap close off of this candle. The price pulled back and it looks like it's pushing. So it's possible that price could sell all the way down to this high. So we made some profit and I think we did good. So that's it for this forward testing session, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.